Hi everyone. Now let's discuss the real-life scenario on discovery of artemisinin. How scientists and physicians connected the dots from the chemical compound to the medicine, which have saved the millions of malaria patients in the past, current, and probably in the future. Malaria, especially caused by Plasmodium falciparum, has been a life-threatening disease for thousands of years. After the failure of international attempts to eradicate malaria in the 1950s, the disease rebounded largely due to the emergence of parasite resistant to the existing anti-malaria drugs of the time, such as chloroquine. This created an urgent need for new anti-malaria medicines. In 1967, a national project against malaria was set up in China under the leadership of the Project 523 office. During the first stage of the work, the scientists investigated more than 2,000 Chinese herb preparations and identified 640 hits that had possible antimalarial activities. More than 380 extracts obtained from nearly 200 Chinese herbs were evaluated against the mouse model of malaria. Among the investigated plant extracts, Artemisia annua extract showed a promising degree of inhibition against the parasite growth. So, to seek an explanation, the investigators carried out an intensive review of the literature. The only relevant finding use of Qinghao, this is the Chinese name of Artemisia annua extract, for alleviating malaria symptoms was appeared in Ji Hong's Handbook of Prescription for Emergencies, which is stated as a handful of Qinghao immersed with 2 liters of water, wring out the juice and drink it home. That was from the Ming Dynasty. Since then, many clinical trials had conducted within China, and these clinical trials produced encouraging results such as rapid disappearance of the symptoms in patients who were taking this new compound, whereas the patients receiving chloroquine did not. Since then, around 1970s, the compound had been recognized as a new potential agent for treatment of malaria in China, and its first presentation at the International Conference on 1981 and spread the word around the world since 1980s. This had eventually led to the Nobel Prize in Medicine in 2015 to Madame Tu Yaoyao for her contribution to the discovery of artemisinin, and doubtlessly this compound has been saving the life of millions of malaria patients.